Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over what it cost for a well in 2022. The well I'll be going over was done in the northern part of Florida. Now my well had ideal drilling conditions and was dug less than 100 foot in depth. This price includes a 4-inch PVC well with a 1/2 horsepower submersible pump, tank, and spigot. The total for all of this was $4,200. Now this price does not include any electrical work, which needs to be done separately by a licensed electrician. Electrical work will vary greatly, but if you can get away with doing it yourself, you can save a lot of money. I decided to do the electrical work myself, so I went out and purchased 10-2 UF wire at $1.50 per foot. For me, I needed 250 feet of wire. At Lowe's, I bought a breaker, fittings, and the conduit, and this ran me $120. I also needed to rent a trencher for the day, and this ran me $275, bringing the grand total for the well for me at $4,970. I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, give it a like, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.